Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is around the house. Well, of course we got the new 65-inch crystal Samsung television, and unfortunately, because of the fact that it is new, it doesn't have the plug-ins that are required to plug in our old home theater system. So what we're winding up doing, as you can see, I got one up there, speaker over there, speaker over there, and a speaker over there. And of course, this is your center speaker. And back in the corner there, you can see it. Let's see if I can get the light on. You can see the old boom box, or the thumper box. So we went ahead and picked up a TCL system. This is what this one looks like. And it has got the Atmos Dolby system, which is the new surround sound system Vice home theater system. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed, and we will see what it sounds like. All right, let's get this unboxed. You got areas here that are taped. Hush already. An optical cable, which I did buy. Should have got the optical cable, but I didn't. That's probably the way to go. HDMI. Here we go. Beautiful. Alright. You're gonna get an HDMI cable with it. And then you've got wall mounts. You want to wall mount your soundbar. 2 power cables. Identical. The remote control. They give you 2 batteries, and they give you wall mounts. You want to do if you want to do it off the wall. This is your subwoofer. Soundbar underneath. Gives you a sketch so you can put it on the wall again. Put your wall mount stuff on it. Dealing with that. Ooh, back here a little bit. So you got. There's your speaker on that. Yeah. Put it down. All you're gonna do is you gotta plug this in. It is Bluetooth. Let's see if we can stick that. Okay, so plug that in. So you're going to be restricted to where you put that is where you got to plug. You really want your best place to put that. I gotta find a plug. All right, we have the woofer plugged in to my mess on the side over here till I get around to getting the wires disconnected from the old system. Now what that does is it vibrates your floor. Gives you all your thumping within the room. We'll go ahead and get the sound bar. I'm just going to put it across the front of the chip. Across the front of the monitor here. There she is. These have got speakers. They got speakers in the top, and it shoots the fires the sound to the ceiling, and then it rotates from there. All right. So go ahead and put this up here. I'll put that. We'll cool out of the way. Sideways here. Sideways in between these two. Just like so. Alright, so that said, the back side of this has got your plug-ins. Right, so right here. Alright, you got it. See what we got. Oh, careful. USB. You've got an optical cable. You got HDMI out, HDMI in. So you're gonna learn. Off of the stereo for a moment. And the power cable. Let's get our power cable plugged in. Actually, I think that to run the HDMI out into the DVD player. Okay. I think that's all we have to do. Moment. Plug it in. You're plugged in.
did it.
He's doing shit.
Mama, there's no room over there for you. Come here.
Hey, hello.
Come on, Lou.
Hello.
Give me the remote. I'll put it together. All right.
I think we can connect the two.
I hope so.
Okay. What did you say? Something connected?
I have no idea.
Sleep down. Sleep. Hey, oh, hello.
Yeah,
HDMI 1, 2, 3 arc.
Rose, would you calm down?
Let's see.
So I want to say, I'm never going to stop fighting for Georgia. I'm never going to stop fighting for you because you're my family. Because I always...
That ain't
I'm
holding up.
a winner, and we all winners. So we all
Freaking
winners.
batteries.
That's what I want to say. We're all winners. And I
Taking
wanna
them
say,
out.
Let's go. Need something else. We gotta get back to Roku.
Hello.
What you got? You collect something?
I turned it on. She said, hello.
Press.
Pear.
There. I think that's pair with the subwoofer. You like. I think we got a something. Yeah. That's
Needs pairing.
okay. You change the volume? Huh?
It's connected.
Huh?
It's connected.
Connected?
Yo.
It's connected?
I just connected it.
Okay. Connect device?
It's gonna show the connected devices.
Okay, what do we got? HDMI.
It says it's paired.
To the thumper, right? It's not paired. I don't know if it's paired TV or not.
See? Sound output. See it on the bottom? It's paired.
Adaptive.
TCL.
Okay, sound system output. Go over there.
I just paired it.
Okay. It will pair that with the TV through the settings in your television with that. So. Yeah, okay, good. It's in the bar. Awesome.
My DVD player pointing the wrong direction.
Yeah, we're gonna figure out how to do that. All right, so we that has now paired itself to that, and I believe our woofer light is straight on. And that's set for movie. And with the television, it is plugged into that center one. That's also got a optical that comes out of that as well.
Nick Nolte
Straight into here.
is a con. Eddie Murphy is a con.
I can help you get gas, but you got to get me out of here first.
You're crazy. He pulls some strings. He pulls some strings.
And you can hear now you can hear the thumper making its noise.
They got a kidnapping going down.
All right.
What you talking about? To snap her neck. They've got a fortune to hunt down.
Okay.
I know what's going on between you and Gans. $500,000.
And it's all coming down.
This is what's left over is the other HDMI cable, and of course your brackets if you want to stick it on the roof. So with this, we went with the TCL. And this has got the Atmos system.
You know, you are real stupid for a cop, man. You're following this guy too close.
This is what you got. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And catch me on the next Stephen Crosby's Vlogs Around the House.
They couldn't like each other less. They couldn't need each other more.
You want to bet?
And if they can get off each other's case,
Look at you. You got a $500 suit on. You're still a lowlife. Yeah, but I look good.
they just might solve this one.
Being a cop is a hard job, Jack.
Nick Nolte, Eddie Murphy.
We ain't brothers, we ain't partners, and we ain't friends. Now, if Dan gets away with my money, you're going to be sorry you ever
Crank it
met
up
me.
some?
I'm already sorry.
Yeah, pick it up.
48 hours.
Y'all be cool.